I'm Anurag Agarwal. Technology is kind of my passion. Like to understand technologies, like to teach, train. So Kubernetes is something what I have been dabbling for some time. I have done some startups few times. I've done systems as well as the operations kind of startup. So this is basically an introduction to Kubernetes workshop. Kubernetes is getting very popular these days, and in some senses, although it might sound like it's becoming buzzword, but there is a lot of very interesting details about Kubernetes, and a lot of people might really get scared because the Kubernetes has a significantly large ramp-up time to understand. So my goal here is to really introduce the Kubernetes so you can really figure out whether this is the right right tool for you. Understand the basics of Kubernetes is what I will be trying to do in this session. So you should be able to make some decisions about Kubernetes because see, a lot of companies are getting into transiting their existing application from monolithic application to microservices architecture. And along with that, they need to make some choices whether they want to use an orchestrator, whether Docker Swarm will be the right choice for them, whether Kubernetes is going to be the right choice for them. So at the end of this session, at least they should be able to have some understanding of the Kubernetes as an ecosystem to make those decisions. For some people who are at the architect level, people who are getting started in DevOps, this should be an interesting session to get you introduced to this Kubernetes technology so that you can choose whether this is the right tool for you to learn. So I'm keeping this workshop at the level where I'm not expecting any prior experience of Kubernetes or DevOps. This is an introduction to Kubernetes workshop. So we are going to be introducing the concept, and I'm going to show you some basic operations, what you can do with the Kubernetes, but no prior experience of Kubernetes or Docker is required for this workshop. I'm assuming this could be a good introduction workshop without expecting any prior background is the level what I'm keeping for this workshop. So I think what has been working for me is trying to identify a problem first, and once you really identify a problem, then basically figure out what are the right ways of solving that particular problem, and then really take the plunge all the way out. Never be afraid of learning new things. So never say no to new interesting solutions to the problem once you identify the problem. That's kind of my mantra that has been working for me. So this is again has been my passion. I have been running this NGO called Akshar Bharti for last 13 years. Again, I have taken that more in the that's more of my attempt to solve a specific problem. How can we enable libraries for the underprivileged children? How can we spread joy through reading? So that's what we have been doing. I run that more as in a project manner versus running as an NGO. So we have been able to reach out to a few lakh kids so far. We have been training about 20,000 children on computers every year. So that's a very sizable project. Feel free to visit on www.aksharbharti.org and follow us on social media like Facebook, and we probably have a channel on YouTube too. So feel free to follow us there. Happy to take any help what you can provide in terms of volunteering, in terms of donations, whatever works for you will work for us. It will be useful to have a Linux machine with a Minikube. That will be the preferred installation you should really have on your machine. And if you can't have that, then there are certain resources which allow us to do this workshop on the cloud directly. But then in that case, you need to certainly have a good net connectivity and access to something like Google Cloud is something what you might want to access to create your own account on a Google Cloud engine, uh, and then we can play with the Kubernetes in that environment. So have one of those two, either Minikube on your machine or have a access to a Google Cloud.